In a remote village, whispers spoke of a volcano that never erupted. Locals believed it was a sleeping giant, its heart pulsing beneath the earth. Scientists arrived, eager to study its secrets. They discovered ancient carvings predicting the volcano's awakening, tied to the moon cycles. As the full moon rose, the ground trembled. But instead of lava, a hidden chamber opened, revealing a library of forgotten knowledge. The volcano was a guardian, not a destroyer. The villagers celebrated, realizing their ancestors' wisdom. Embrace the unexpected. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.